Today we are really in for a treat. We're about to tour an incredible new construction home located in the heart of Brentwood, Tennessee. 7 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms, 7,300 square feet of pure luxury and beauty, all on a 1-acre lot priced just under $4.5 million. Hi, I'm Steve Azadorian with Nashville Home Squad of eXp Realty. And I'd like to send a big thank you and shout out to Garrett Beasley of Brentview Realty for allowing us to tour their beautiful listing here today. Built by Zeus Construction, this home checks off all of the boxes. Open concept, tons of natural light, primary and secondary bedroom on the main floor, a chef's kitchen including a commercial grade Wolf cooktop and oven, custom marble countertops, vent hood, backsplash, and an amazing waterfall island with low bar seating that you are absolutely going to love. There's also a walk-in butler's pantry with a second dishwasher, sink, and custom cabinetry. The kitchen opens up to the oversized family room with fireplace and separate den, with glass French doors leading out to your screened-in patio with an additional gas fireplace. Guys, there is so much to see in this beautiful house, so let's get to it. Enjoy the tour. Well, what'd you think? It's an amazing house, huh? Could you see yourself living here? Man, I sure could. Hey, if you're in the market for a new house and you'd like more information about this one here in Brentwood or any home in the greater Nashville area, I would certainly love to answer your questions and help you out. Please hit us up at our website, NashvilleHomesquad.com. Take care.